Welcome back. Today we are going to finalize the first third of the form. Today we're going to finish up with 1-13, the sun salute. And we are going to show the transition from 1-12, which was the withdraw and press, and then transitioning into the sun salute. These tutorials are broken down by each individual movement of our 48-step short form. All right, so let's begin. In the form, we just finished parry, deflect, strike, and then withdraw and press. So here is, it gets confusing because we come back to a sun salute twice in the form. One, we bring the left foot up and bring the right foot to it. However, at the very end of the form, when we do the sun salute, we bring the left foot to the right foot. All right, so first, at the end of the first third, we put the left foot up and bring the right foot in. That's very important that we make that distinction here. All right, so we have done clean and press right here, and this is the way we do it in the form to the west. We shift our weight back to the right. Again, all we're doing is straightening the left knee and bending the right knee. And I'm rotating my body towards, it's actually at the corner of the room here. I'm bringing that left foot up at a 45, bringing my right foot in, and now I have my feet in a V on this intersection. Okay. Rising up to the sun salute. So you have the eye of the phoenix. I call it the eye of the phoenix because you can see through it. And you're bringing it up, and you're looking up as you do it, and you're looking up through the eye of the phoenix. And your hands separate. When you're here, notice I don't have my shoulders up. I don't have my shoulders up by my ears. Sun salute, my shoulders are down, and then the hand comes apart and slowly comes down. And we come to Wu Qi in front of our chest. Wu Qi meaning beginning and ending. Wrists are crossed. When I do this at the angle, you can see that you'll see the angle of my arms. My hands won't be against my chest. And that's your sun salute. So let's do it this way. So we just finished the withdraw and press. I'm going to shift the weight back into the right leg, rotate. The left foot comes up on this line. You'll notice it comes up at a 45. As I do that, my hands come together. My knees are bent. I'm not standing up here. My knees stay bent. The hands come together as the left foot comes up. And then I bring my right heel to my left heel. Now I've got a V on the intersection of the two yellow lines. Rising up, looking up. Shoulders are not raised, shoulders are down. Out. And now you can better see that my knees are bent, my back is straight, and I don't have my hands, oh, I hit the mic again, apologies. I don't have my hands close to my chest, and I don't have them outstretched either. There's that same bend in the arm where I can put a fist between my rib cage and the back of my arm. This is always even with my shoulders. That's your Wu Qi, beginning and ending. So we just finished our withdrawn press. Weight goes into the right. Left foot comes up on this line as the hand comes together. Right heel comes to the left heel. Looking up, exercising your neck, still looking through the eye of the phoenix. And then the wrists cross to Wu Chi. All right, we got one more direction to do it in. Let's work on the breath. So we had just finished the withdrawn press, and we breathed out, we exhaled on the press. Breathing in. And breathing out. And back straight, knees bent, feet are in a V. And that's the end of the Sun Salute. 1-13, and we have made it through the first third of the form. All right, so until next session when we start on the second third. By the way, these thirds are not even. There's a beginning short third, a really long middle third, and then a short end third. So it is thirds, but they're not even thirds. So until our next tutorial, have a wonderfully Zen day.